From Bluetooth wireless soundbars to some really awesome kitchen tech, the Ninja bed sheets, and more, these are the top 5 deals of the week. Hi, I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite. I love deals and I love the awesome subscribers of this channel because you're gonna let me know if this format works. I usually just hunt down, in most cases, the hottest, the biggest, the best deal of the week, and then I focus the entire video on that one item. It's great, I get to go in depth, but for example, if I'm doing a video on a Bluetooth soundbar and many of you don't need a soundbar, I find that a lot of people just don't watch the video. So it's sad because I do work, but no one gets to see it. So I want to put together 5 hot deals that I think cater to everyone. We're going to go through each item really quickly. The items are all located under this video description box. Expand it. If this format works for you, let me know. If you prefer me to go to just one item per video, let me know that too. This is a little bit of suspense though, because you don't know where this is going to go unless you skip ahead. Don't skip ahead, because the first item is something that you can use with your TV. It's Bluetooth, it's wireless. The reviews are awesome, and it is one of my favorite soundbars under 65 bucks. One of the best award-winning wireless soundbars in the country just dropped to a price I have never before seen. Yes, I'm sure retailers are trying to gauge how much stock they'll need for Black Friday, so consider this early doorbuster and early holiday present at under 60 bucks. It fits under your TV or is wall mountable, and the audio packed into this beautiful entertainment experience will elevate your television beyond belief. You can stream wirelessly from your smartphone, a tablet, or your stereo. This comes with all of the accessories you would need, wireless, ready to rock right out of the box. You can find the Rich Sound soundbar at its lowest recorded price by expanding the video description box. If you read the reviews for this product on Amazon, you're going to notice, well, not only do they have a higher price at the time I'm recording this, but people love the soundbar. The reviews are awesome, so it really is a great grab. Second item is big brand. It's the Ninja blender and food processor that I sent to one of my favorite chefs to put to the test.
Hey Matt, thanks for sending me another blender to test. I have tested so many blenders for you and myself. What I love about the Ninja that you sent me is its versatility. This is a food processor, this is a smoothie maker, this is your all-purpose blender. There is nothing that I can't do with these 3 different devices, all packed into one space-saving design. I gotta tell you, I'm a huge fan of putting a lot of devices into one thing so I don't have to have all these different things all over the place. Big fan. Super powerful, quiet, name brand recognition. I have to tell you about it, I'm a super fan of this one. Love it.
You can find this deal by expanding the video description box, where you will also find one of my favorite Santoku knife deals. You're looking for a knife that really does it all, chop, rock, and roll. You could easily spend $150 on a knife like this, but not today, and this is from one of the top brands in the world. At under 50 bucks, this could be the best knife deal of the year, and I sent this along to my favorite TV chef to put this to the test.
Hey Matt, thanks for sending me another knife to test out for you. What is this now, 30 or 40? I've tested out. As a professional chef, I use knives every single day in the kitchen, both professionally and in the home. And I'm a fan of the German-made Pro line. If the regular knife lasts 1 or 2 lifetimes, this knife is going to last 4 or 5 lifetimes. Razor sharp, cool design, and has a lot of the chopping, knuckle clearing, professional features that I look for in a French knife. As I ran it through the paces, you got a winner here, bud.
Again, this deal located right under the video description box, where you will find my next favorite deal, which is tied to just a great way to relax and unwind, and that is another piece of tech. And your key to taking control of it is the ultimate shiatsu massage seat cushions. So this goes right on top of any chair, recliner, even car seat, as long as you're not the driver, with 8 rolling massage nodes. This will take care of your muscles on both sides of the spine. You can customize it for neck and hip and leg massages. And I'm telling you right now, this feels the most similar to an actual massage therapist, a chiropractor, or a physical therapist, bringing to work 3D deep kneading with the option to add heat and make sure all of your muscles feel better than they ever have. You can find the deal for the TechJoy massager at under 90 bucks by just expanding the video description box. And our next deal is something that any household can benefit from, and a great way where your sheets can actually help you stay cool all night long. With the fact that these sheets have now been in use for a year of testing and constant washes, because keep in mind, I bought this last Prime Day. The aloe vera finish is still soft to the touch. I wish you could experience this. It feels sensational on your skin. And to get the entire sheet set, where we're talking the pillowcases, the fitted sheet, the flat sheet, all included at under 50 bucks, you are way ahead of the game. You can find that bedsheet bargain right now by expanding the video description box, all of the links you need there. Keep in mind that these are the hottest deals right now. They're huge deals, but they could disappear in an instant. So if I've recorded something that has sold out or the price has changed since I've uploaded this video, hopefully that won't be the case, but make sure your notifications are turned on. That ensures that you get a notice in your inbox or on your smartphone the second I release the deal, so you will never actually miss out on the top price. So I'd like to thank you for watching. I hope you like this format. If you want me to go back again just to one item per video, let me know. If you want me to do a mix of both, I really want you guys to help guide what I do as we lead into the holiday season with Black Friday and Cyber Monday and all these other huge saving occasions right around the corner. So thanks for watching. If you're not yet subscribed, here's what you need to do. Click on my head right here. That'll subscribe you to this channel. If you need help turning on your notifications, demo up there. And the last big roundup of deals I did is over here.